Hey guys, so this is part 2 of my candy video. So, yeah. Anyway, what's up guys? My name's Soleil and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, let's get started. So, first I'm wearing the same clothes because I made this the same day. So, just letting you know. Alright, anyway, first I have Mangerex. Stupid lighting. Mangerex. And has a picture of a hedgehog on it. So, I have something stuck in my throat. Get out of the paper! Ugh. It's hanging out of the paper. I'll just eat it and try it in the paper. Alright, so. It's like a sweet and salty mango with some flavor. Tastes pretty good to me. I rate this a 6 out of 10. Next we will eat Nazarena with pictures of apples. So I'm guessing it is apple flavored. Ooh, I love chili. I want to taste the apple. I bet it. I ain't got apple. Same. A 5 out of 10. It's not that good. So, next we have Poporindo. Poporindo. I hope I said that right. Poporindo. I am in. Blah 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 blah. It's like not bad, but it's not good. So this is called Escubido or something. I don't know. I ripped off the words. But here goes. Okay. I rate this a 1 out of 10. Because it literally tastes like I'm eating cardboard. That's gonna go in the trash bag. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. By the way, stay tuned, because I'm gonna be doing a challenge with my best friend, and Crooked Casper, I probably talked about him a few times. But anyway, he's a great YouTuber. Go follow him. His name is Crooked Casper. I'll try and put a link down below. I'm still learning how to do that. But go follow him. He has an amazing YouTube channel. He is so funny. And he's just an awesome guy. And he makes YouTube videos. He does Vine. He has social media. So go look at his videos. He'll tell you that stuff all about it. He's a really cool guy. Stay tuned for my challenges with my best friend Alina. You guys will finally get to meet her. I don't know if I talked about her already, but she's my best friend. I love her. And yeah. Video guys, like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys next time. Thanks for still watching my videos if you still are. So peace out guys. Love you always. Bye.